Dear friends, today let us see a very important 5G mobile, OnePlus Nord 5G. Okay, this mobile was launched recently, so let us see in details about this mobile. Let us go to the OnePlus website itself and check this mobile. So this is OnePlus Nord 5G. Okay, OnePlus Nord CE 5G. It is a model. The model starts from 22,999. So that is approximately 23,000 it starts from. And 1,000 rupees off if you own a HDFC Bank credit card with EMI, right? So HDFC is offering through credit card 1,000 rupees off. Okay. So now let us see in detail. So it has 4500 mAh battery, 64 MB triple camera, 90 Hz AMO LED display, and it has Snapdragon 750G 5G. So this mobile has 5G technology in it. That means when 5G comes to India, you can use this mobile. So it is future ready, that is 5G ready mobile. Okay, you can also use 4G SIM too, and the OS is of Oxygen OS, as normally comes in the case of OnePlus. Node to the core. So this is the mobile, sleek mobile. It looks nice, little lighter, 170 gram, thinner, 7.9 mm, jack 3.5 mm jack. Okay, the weight is 170 gram, thinness is 7.9 mm, the sides, jack is of 3.5 mm. So the mobile looks nice and clean. So it has more colors. This is void, blue void. This is charcoal ink. This is silver ray. Okay. More life, more work. Nord C is large capacity battery. It will get filled up from 0 to 70% in just 30 minutes. (4,500 mAh battery). (64 MB triple camera). Okay. The main camera has a large aperture, f/1.79 aperture. Right, it captures more light and detail even in low light situations. The 64 MB is a high resolution main camera. Okay. The 64 million pixels. It has an artificial intelligence scene detection system. It automatically adjusts camera settings like color, contrast, and exposure for brilliant lifelike photos. See here, 64 MB triple camera setup. Camera looks nice. Nightscape intelligently captures and manages several exposures in real time in order to produce sharp, detailed images in low light. You could see the clarity in the image. Okay, nice camera. It has ultra wide lens to 190 degree ultra wide lens. This is ultra wide lens. Selfie also, it has 16 MB selfie camera. It has both front and rear camera features portrait mode, giving you more creative control than ever. Automatically adjust focus to create eye-catching bokeh effect. Pure performance. It has a 90 Hz refresh rate. That is the reason it provides or it delivers 50% more visual information every second. Okay, 90 Hz display. AI Smart Dragon Speed. It has a Snapdragon Qualcomm 750G 5G mobile platform. This mobile has up to 12 GB RAM. We can experience better than broadband speeds on Nord CE 5G with up to 2.95 Gbps gigabytes per second. You can download movies, series, serials, or strange amount of internet memes in just a minute. New features by the handful. Oxygen OS 11 based on Android 11 introduces bunch of new features. Dark mode. This reduces strain on your eyes when using this device in the dark and look cool doing it. Then customize always on display. This is tailored to your needs, colors, graphics. One hand wonder. Okay, now let us see the specifications. Okay, OnePlus Nord CE 5G. This is of blue oil. This is charcoaling. This is silver ray. So 3 different colors are there in this model, OnePlus Nord CE 5G. So let us see the specifications of this mobile in detail. Dimensions 15.92 cm, width 7.35 cm, thickness 0.79 cm, weight 170 gram. Display size 6.43 inches. Resolution 2400 to 1080 pixels, 410 ppi. Aspect ratio 20:9. It also has 90 Hz fluid AMOLED. Other features of display include ambient display, dark mode, reading mode. It has a RAM capacity starting with 6 GB, next model has 8 GB, then 12 GB. Storage 128 GB, then 256 GB. Battery non-removable 4500 mAh. Fast charging, it has fast charging, bar charge 30T plus 5 volts or 6 amps, bar 6 amps. Camera, main camera rear megapixel 64 megapixel, lens quantity 6p, aperture f bar 1.79, ultra wide camera rear megapixel 8, field of view 119 degree. So in this aperture is f/2.25. Flash, LED flash, zoom 0.6 times to 10 times. Autofocus, multi autofocus. Video 4K video at 30 fps. 1080p video at 30 or 60 fps. Super slow motion, time lapse video editor is also available. These are the features. Other features include nightscape, ultra short HDR, portrait, panorama, pro mode, smart scene recognition filters. Front camera, Sony IMX471 camera. Features: face unlock, screen flash, HDR, face retouching, portraits, filters. Connectivity, LTE, 4x4 MIMO, supports up to 1.2 Gbps to 150 Mbps starting with. So that is LTE, and it has WLAN, Bluetooth, NFC enabled, positioning, GPS, GLONASS, AGPS, etc. Sensors: in-display fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, electronic compass, gyroscope, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, etc. Ports: it has 3.5 mm headphone jack, USB 2.0, Type-C, dual nano SIM slot. Buttons: it has left volume key, right power key. There is noise cancellation support too. There is a super linear speaker. Multimedia: these are the multimedias that it supports: video supported formats, image supported format, and audio supported formats. Okay, for encoder and decoder. In the box you have OnePlus Nord CE 5G, Warp Charge 30 power adapter, Warp Type-C cable, support USB 2.0, phone case, screen protector pre-applied, SIM ejector, welcome letter, brand sticker, red cable club membership card, start guide, quick start guide, safety information and warranty card, highest SAR value, and plastic recycling card. So these are the specifications of this mobile, OnePlus Nord CE 5G. Oxygen OS. So this is the OS, advanced OS. This mobile is worthy to buy since it has 5G capability. So when 5G comes to India, it is likely to be launched by Reliance Jio or Jio Infocom, then Airtel, Vodafone, maybe BSNL too, right? Also the cost of this mobile is very less. It starts from 23,000 approximately. So nice mobile to buy, right, in the year 2021. Low budget 5G mobile, right? That is the OnePlus Nord CE 5G. Thank you.